Welcome. If you want to find and open friend list in PUBG New State, you have to just simply tap on this icon. As you can see, here we have all our friends and the request list for the friend. In my case, I have nobody here. And I can, for example, enable friends from the Facebook. So I have to link my Facebook account with the PUBG New State. If you want to add the new friend, you have to tap right here on the plus, and then you can enter the username. You can also use this hashtag. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.